So if you're planning to sit for the ICAG November 2023 examination, then this is the right time to register and start studying so that you can put yourself in the position to pass the examination. Now, we are going to be starting our live lectures on the 7th of August 2023, but then registration is currently ongoing, which means that you can register today to start studying, and that way you have some time ahead to be able to spend time to go through the syllabus, focus on some of the key areas, so that way when the live lecture starts, you're going to be, in a way, having a second opportunity to be able to go over the things well to position you to pass the examination. So you can head to our website at NhyiraPremium.com or download the Nhyira Premium mobile application on the Google Play Store or the App Store and enroll in a course today and start studying under my mentorship. Let me assist you with the team here so we can position you to be able to go into the exam hall, write the exam with confidence, but most importantly, pass the examination. Like I say always, it is crucial for you to start studying on time so that you don't have a lot of pressure 2 weeks or a week to the examination, because the syllabus is quite voluminous, it's quite bulky. Irrespective of the subject that you're doing, there is no way that you can just sit around 2 weeks or 1 week and try to go over everything to pass the examination. So to reduce the pressure, we need to then spread the time over 14 or 15 weeks. That way, you are able to take your time, go through the syllabus with some high level of diligence and dedication. That way, you are able to understand the syllabus and the key topics very well, so you'll be able to also solve a lot of questions under time and position yourself to pass the examination. So head on to our website, NhyiraPremium.com, enroll in a course today and start studying before our live lectures starting on the 7th of August 2023. But also, you can download our mobile application on the Google Play Store or the App Store, the Nhyira Premium mobile application, if you have not yet downloaded it. That way, you can also get access to the content and also be able to study on the go wherever you are. I'll see you during our live calls starting from 7th of August 2023. But for now, you can register to start studying so you position yourself to pass the examination. I can't wait to have you on our live calls, and it will be my privilege to be able to take you through the syllabus in the next 3 months so you can position yourself to pass the examination.